How to fix Facebook screen size. So let's get started. So if you think your Facebook screen size is too much and if you want to fix it, so to fix that, what you can do is just simply head over to your Facebook and then tap and hold on it, and then tap on the app info option. From here you just have to tap on storage and cache, and then clear your storage and then clear your cache, and that should fix your problem. So after doing this, simply go ahead and log into your Facebook, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you can do is just simply come back and then open up your Play Store. After opening up your Play Store, now what you can do is just simply search for Facebook, and after searching for Facebook you might find the update over here. What you have to do is just simply go ahead and update it, and after updating your Facebook you should fix your Facebook screen size. So after updating your Facebook, if that fixed your screen size, then it's okay, but if that did not, then what you can do is just simply come back, and after coming back from here you just have to tap on the search bar and then search for settings, and after searching for settings from here what you can do is just simply tap on display option, and after tapping on display tap on advanced, and after tapping on advanced now you'll find this following options. So the first option is full screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now what you can do is just simply go ahead and then allow your Facebook to access this feature. Just simply allow it. Now you can watch your Facebook in full screen. So now this is the first one, and the second option is font size. So here you'll find the font size. What you can do is, so if it's on default and if you want to make it larger, then you can do that, or you can make it largest. So just simply select a font size. You can also select a display size. So if you think the display size is too small, then you can just simply increase it, or if it's too high, then decrease it. So just simply do this and it should fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Facebook screen size. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.